In 1937, the most famous woman on the planet vanished mid-flight over the Pacific Ocean. The US government spent $4 million searching for her and found absolutely nothing. No plane, no body, no answers. So who was she, and what really happened up there? Amelia Earhart was born in 1897 in Kansas, and from day one she refused to play by the rules. While society expected her to be quiet and proper, Amelia was climbing trees, shooting rifles, and filling scrapbooks with stories of women doing impossible things. Then, in 1920, she took her very first plane ride. Just 10 minutes in the air, but it changed everything. She said, "By the time I got a few hundred feet off the ground, I knew I had to fly." She worked multiple jobs, truck driver, photographer, stenographer, just to afford flying lessons. Nothing was going to stop her. In 1928, she became the first woman to cross the Atlantic by air. But here's what made Amelia different. She was just a passenger on that flight, and she openly admitted it. She called herself a sack of potatoes and promised the world she'd go back and do it herself. 4 years later, she did exactly that, solo. 15 brutal hours over the Atlantic, ice on her wings, flames from her engine, near zero visibility. She landed in a farmer's field in Ireland and calmly told him she'd come from America. The world went wild. Parades, presidential medals. But Amelia kept pushing, breaking speed records, becoming the first person to fly solo from Hawaii to the US mainland, a route that had already killed 10 pilots. She was unstoppable. By 1937, Amelia had one final dream: fly around the entire world along the equator. Nearly 29,000 miles, the longest possible route. She and navigator Fred Noonan took off June 1st. Continent by continent, ocean by ocean, they pushed forward. Then on July 2nd, approaching a tiny island in the Pacific, her radio transmissions turned desperate. "We are running north and south." Static, then silence. She was 39 years old. They were never found. The official story says they ran out of fuel, but theories have never stopped. A secret island landing, a government spy mission, capture at sea? Decades later, the mystery still has no answer. Amelia Earhart once wrote, "The most difficult thing is the decision to act. The rest is merely tenacity." In an era when women were told to shrink, she circled the globe. She disappeared, but she never really left, because every woman who was ever told she couldn't and did it anyway flies in her shadow. Subscribe for more stories about people who changed the world by refusing to be ordinary.